Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a press and a trim. I actually did her hair, I think a little over a year ago. Of course, I'll put the pictures on the screen. She wanted to cut off her relaxer. So we pretty much cut off half of her length because it was all still relaxed. So yeah, this is the grow out of that, and she came back to get another trim. She mostly wears her hair, I think, in like crochets and braids. She doesn't really wear her hair straight. So anywho, I'm not going to talk too much. I know I say that every time, but this time I'm for real. Oh, I do have her face blocked out because I do have on my booking site that I record and take pictures and to let me know if you do not want your face posted. And she does not want her face posted. So yeah, there's that. I hope you guys enjoy.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain won't